Good afternoon. Today is 13 July 2020. It's 1 p.m. I am Abhirup Ghosh recording from Mondolai village. It's in Pandua block, police station Pandua, district Hooghly, West Bengal, India. I'll say it in Bengali, English and Hindi. I'll use 3 languages. This is my Royal Enfield Classic Signals Sunrider Storm Edition. I bought it on 14 December 2019, around 7 months just passed. So you can see it, how I decorated. Here you can see it's a disc brake lock I have added. This is a bull, a raging bull. You can see, feel the thump. You see my bike is dirty. This is the stickering I have done. It's the bike's number, my name and my blood group. Mentioning your blood group is very much necessary. Please do it. You can see the front portion. And this is not tricolor. I tried to put Indian flag, but once the cops told me that only the President of India and the Chief Justice of Supreme Court, they can use Indian flag, we can't. So it's just a tricolor without the emblem, the Ashok Chakra. The chakra is missing. So no one can say it's the flag of India, and police can't give me a case. But it resembles Indian flag. That's why I have put it up on the flagpole. You see there are fog lights. There is one white one and these 2 are yellow ones. And to hold bottles when I'll go long ride. These are especially very useful. I just made it up, and reflective stickers painted inside, and water can stay inside. That's why these holes are done. So there is a tank bag, vibration adjuster, this handle. There are multiple couple switches. You can see there is a handle grip cover. There is the mobile phone cover, and here you can charge your mobile while you ride. Until date, it's 7,200 and it's reflecting 7,265 kilometers. And you see both the sides, they have those water bottle carrier cases. And this is one backrest cover I have done. It's of Maruti Omni's headrest. I bought it and I modified it. This is the top case, and here is a cushion I have made it colorful because from a distance you can be seen. And here it's my YouTube channel, Bohemian Bikers. The channel's name is Bohemian Biker, and we are Bohemian Bikers, so I'm the admin of the group. These are something, and see, rear crash guard on the left hand side, and there is a small pannier. It's I have pasted it, stickered it with heat pasted technology used. Then there is a carrier on which this top case has been mounted, and there is also a flagpole at the end, rear end. The headlight grills and the indicator grills, you can see them. And apart from that, it's dirty. It's monsoon time. I'm riding with my bike, so I have to clean it today. There's another sticker I just put up, this logo on the other side also. And you see this is a globe silencer. It gives awesome thump. I don't know whether it will harm my engine or not, or whether I'll get lesser mileage or not, but when you are riding a Royal, you should get a thump. Otherwise, no point riding a Royal. That's my opinion. Obviously, you can differ. Now, this one is a very unique thing. You put it on your, like clutch lever or the disc brake lever, and you lock it. No one will be able to carry your or steal your bike. Added safety. And you see there's another flagpole here. with light indicator, and you see rear crash guard and pannier this side also. These are the modifications. This is the top case from the side. Let me open it. This sticker, you can see, it's intriguing, I believe, but it's for those who open it without my permission, especially for thieves. Don't take it personally. These are, my regular use gloves, the skull cap, what you call this, string or rope. Then it's a very useful thing, your mobile waterproof pouch, and there are some other things. Anyways, so this is it. Let me just turn off the video. In this COVID situation, please be safe. Better safe than sorry. So that's it. You see, a pet dog has come from the neighborhood, a Rhodesian one. So I'm closing the lid, and this is the lock. You just lift it up, put it, and lock it. It's locked. That's it. Thanks for watching. And intentionally I did it in English. Usually I do my vlogs in Bengali for everyone to understand, but this is for a global usage, so English is the language. That's why. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.